Hi, my good name is Anlele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to do strawberry and blueberry panna cotta. And viewers, before we continue, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. And these are our ingredients. We have our heavy cream, 500 ml. We have our milk, 500 ml. Our gelatin, 12 grams, and I've already dissolved it in cold water. We have our sugar, 100 grams, and I'll divide the mix, and I'll put just a few drops of strawberry and a few drops of blueberry essence. So we'll start by mixing the two. There's the milk and the sugar. Let it boil, then we add our gelatin and our essence. Then we'll proceed. Our milk and cream and sugar has already boiled. Now we are going, this is the melted gelatin. I melted the gelatin. Now I'll be adding it inside. I've melted the gelatin and I've kept it inside. Gelatin is to bind it together. So after that, I am going to divide the mix into two, then I'll put different flavors in it. One, I'll put blueberry. And this color is also fine. Now I'll let the mix just cool down a little bit, then I'll pour it in the glasses and put it in the fridge to set. Now it's not so hot. It's the best time now. Now I'll put them in the fridge to set. Then from there, I'll show you what we're going to do. Our two berries, panna cotta, see how they came out? And I put some berry sauce and some blueberry sauce on top of the berry one, of the blueberry, and the strawberry sauce on top of the strawberry one. Very nice. You can see the color. They are very nice. Please try them. These are desserts that I'm bringing to you for free. The only thing that you need to do is to subscribe to Anlele YouTube channel and you'll get more of this. So try them and let me know. Subscribe to Anlele YouTube channel and also remember to click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye!